So, you thought Apple's Vision Pro was the future? Well, the future is getting an upgrade. Apple's next chapter in spatial computing, the Vision Pro 2, is on the horizon, and it's looking to fix the one thing that held the original back. Yeah, the first Vision Pro was a moonshot, a bold leap into mixed reality that looked like it was ripped straight out of Iron Man's lab. But despite all that hype, that $3,500 price tag, it hit like a brick wall for most people. So now, Apple is gearing up for its comeback. And trust me, they're not playing small this time. Here's the inside scoop. Apple hasn't said a word officially, but the leaks are painting a very clear picture. The Vision Pro 2 is reportedly in the works and could drop before the end of 2025. Now let's rewind a bit. The first-gen Vision Pro was unveiled at WWDC 2023 and hit shelves in early 2024. It flexed some serious muscle with its M2 chip and R1 Motion coprocessor. Performance-wise, it was stunning. But let's be honest, it wasn't a device for the masses. It was a tech statement. Apple's "look what we can do" moment. The sales? They haven't exactly been breaking records. Even with rollouts to more countries, adoption has been lukewarm at best. And the reason is no mystery. That $3,500 price is still the massive elephant in the room. Now, this is where it gets spicy. Apple isn't planning a radical redesign, so don't expect a Vision Pro Mini or a cheaper version just yet. The real magic is happening on the inside. Sources say Apple's ditching the M2 chip and going all in with the powerful M5, possibly paired with a new R2 Motion coprocessor. If you follow Apple's silicon, you know this is a huge leap. The M5 is expected to bring serious performance gains and much better power efficiency. And that is critical because the biggest complaint about the first Vision Pro wasn't the experience. It was that external battery pack that barely got you 2 hours. The M5 might finally fix that. But it gets even better. The new Vision Pro could borrow advancements from the upcoming A19 Pro chip, meaning its neural engine will be a beast. We're talking more intense real-time tasks like better eye tracking, smoother hand gestures, and AI-assisted rendering that feels almost alive. Memory is also getting a bump, with configurations rumored to go up to 24 gigabytes of unified RAM. That's absolutely wild for a headset. It means zero lag, whether you a designer sculpting in mid-air or a gamer demanding 120 Hz VR with no frame drops. The jump from the M2 to the M5 is like upgrading from a luxury car to a rocket. So when is it coming? Reports are a bit all over the place. Some say late 2025, maybe dropping alongside an M5-powered iPad Pro. Others hint at early 2026. Either way, it's coming. But, and this is a big but, don't expect a price drop. So, what do you think? Should Apple double down on premium, or is it time for a Vision model for the rest of us? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you're hyped, and of course, subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech. Until next time, stay curious.